Want to predict what happens next in your business or data? That's where predictive analytics comes in. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use linear regression in Python, step by step, from loading the dataset to building and evaluating your model. We'll start by importing the core libraries: Pandas for data manipulation, matplotlib and seaborn for visualization, and scikit-learn for modeling and evaluation. We'll use a sample dataset like housing prices or sales trends. First, we explore the data with .head, info, and point describe to understand its shape. Then we'll plot relationships using scatter plots and heat maps to find correlations. We'll select feature and target columns, handle missing values, and split the data into training and testing sets using train test split from scikit-learn. We'll create a linear regression model, train it, and then generate predictions on the test set. We'll calculate mean absolute error, mean squared error, and the R2 score. Then, we'll plot predicted versus actual values to see how well the model fits. Finally, we interpret the model's coefficients and use it to predict future outcomes, like estimating sales based on advertising spend. With just a few lines of Python, you've built a complete predictive model. Want the full code? Check the description. And for more tutorials like this, follow Data Stories with Nirmala